Hello YouTube, yet another script from my backup drives. What I was doing here, apparently I was logging into this FTP server, okay, FTP and not HTTP, not web stuff, and I was grabbing, for testing purposes, this HTML file, and that file resides into this directory. So basically, the reason why you need to hardcode this is when you get into this server, when you anonymously log in, if everything is fine, if you don't get red errors in your shell, then you need to log in into that specific directory with change working directory command. Then I was listing all content, just listing in that specific directory, and then I was retrieving that file and saving it under the same name here. Okay, you probably recognize this from working with files. You have open, and then inside the brackets as parameters you have file name and type of what you're doing with files. So in this case, writing binary, okay, and we are retrieving from server binary. And after that, if everything is fine, I was just getting out of the server. So maybe you like this script, maybe it will be useful for some kind of pseudo-automatic download, because I was just grabbing one thing. So this can be used as a, I don't know, as a backup script, download script, I don't know what you're doing. And this thing is actually very easy not to do just in Python, but also in PHP. But yeah, this is not about PHP. Anyway, let's run this thing to see what's up. Run module, source code must be saved, and there is a shell on another monitor. So we have listing and we have prompt here, which means because no red errors that everything is fine. So yep, this is just a listing, and let's check for that readme HTML file. And because I was running this script from parent Python directory, this file will end up in that thing, in that directory. So bottom line, in this case, when you run this script, your file will end up in a place from where you have run this script, Python one. So where was Python open, and I need to change this to all files, and there you go, readme. Let's open it with oh yeah, it's on another monitor again, who cares. So see, this is that file, everything is preserved, no errors here, and this is the path of our download, basically full path of file. So that will get the job done. Nothing special here, nothing fancy. Just remember that you need to import FTP lib module, and you have that module by default with your Python installation. So it depends with what kind of server you're messing around with, and this is just anonymous type of server, so everything just goes fine. So yeah guys, nothing special here. Maybe it will get the job done for you, maybe not. And as always, thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.